Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys sound and vibration setting, and today video title is guys how to enable do not disturb mode in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to enable guys your phone do not disturb mode settings. So how can you enable it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. Sorry friends, I paused the video guys. Now continue. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable guys phone do not disturb mode setting. So friends, you want to use guys your phone do not disturb. So I will search bar guys. We will tap here guys do not disturb. So once you can see guys your phone do not disturb mode setting. So we will tap on guys phone do not disturb guys, tap here. As you can see phone do not disturb, friends you want to enable. So when you can enable from this right side icon guys, tap here. When after enable guys come back, friends you can see guys your phone sound and vibration. That's why you can see guys your media volume and guys alarm ringtone is off. So friends, like that guys we can enable do not disturb mode setting guys and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.